My name is Ashley Swift, and I will be doing a tutorial on how to insert an image into PowerPoint application. You can minimize the PowerPoint application right here at the bottom, and if you don't have a Mac, you can go to Start, All Programs, Microsoft Office, and then Microsoft PowerPoint, and then minimize it at the bottom. Now we're going to open a web browser of your choice. I'm going to choose Google Chrome. Go to the search engine at the top of the screen and type in www.google.com. And then right here in the top right hand corner, you're going to actually press images. And if you don't want to do that, you can also do www.images.google.com and it'll take you straight to Google Images. Then you're going to type in that search engine, whatever picture you want to do. So let's, for instance, do soccer. You're going to choose a picture of your choice, right click it, and choose Save Image As. I want to save my image as soccer pic. And I'm going to save it to the documents area. Once you actually press save, you can minimize that window just in case you want to add pictures later. Go back to the previous minimized PowerPoint. You're going to go to Home. You're going to go to Insert. And right under Insert is going to have a picture logo. And then you're going to press Picture from File. And then you're going to look and make sure you're in the Documents area where you saved it. And you're going to press Documents. And look for the name that you saved it under, which is Soccer Pic. And you're going to press Insert, which is this blue button. Once you insert it, you can adjust it to your preference. And that's how you add a picture to PowerPoint.